Hello, dear sixth graders. How are you guys? I hope everything is fine with you. Yes? Nice. Guys, let's solve right now our formative number 6. Great. I will solve over here. Attention, how to solve it and you understand. The first question over there, it is, what is an equation? Guys, remember our exit ticket for class number 43? Yes, I hope. If you remember, guys, here is the answer. It is a mathematical statement that using an equal sign to show that two expressions are equal. If you wrote that thing, nice. Mister, I just remembered the steps. No problem, you can do it too. How to solve? Great. But the question here, it is, what is an equation? Great. Not how to solve. Great. If you put there over the steps, okay, I will accept. They like locate the variable, what math operation, no problem. Great. I will check over there. Probably not receive a full grade, but I will manage about that. Question number 2. Solve the equation below. Let's solve. Yes, is x plus 7 equals 15. How do I solve this one? Remember the steps. Step number 1, locate the variable. Okay, x plus 7 equals 15. Where is my variable? My variable is over here, mister. Okay, I'm going to try to change the color, no problem. Here's my variable. Great, I think you'll notice that my variable is over here. Here's my variable. And I locate the variable. Let's do it. Let's write here. Here's my variable. What is the math operation tied to the variable? Guys, what is the math operation tied to the variable? The math operation is adding 7. Adding 7, it is the math operation tied to the variable. What is the opposite to add 7? You are subtracting 7. Minus 7. And this one here, goodbye. 15 minus 7, x equals 15 minus 7, guys, it is 8. X equals 8. Let's check right now. Yes, 8 plus 7, it is 15. It is true or false? True statement. Great. Done the first one. Let's go to the next. Nice. If you solve it, you'll see over this. Like this. Solve the equation below. Be sure to show your work. Right now, the steps. Step number 1. Locate the variable. B minus 25 equals 115. Where's the variable? Here, mister. Here's my variable. Left-hand side. And what's the math operation tied to the variable? What do you think, guys? What is the math operation tied to the variable? It's subtracting 25, mister. What is the opposite of subtracting 25? Adding 25. Adding 25. 115 plus 25, 5 plus 5, it is 10, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. 140, B equals 140. Let's check right now. 140 minus 25, it is 115. It is true or false? True. Great. Done. I solved 2 questions over here. Let's go 44. Solve for the variable a and pick the correct answer. Great. Let's solve for the variable a, guys. How do I solve for variable a? Here is my equation. 6. Oops. Let me use this one. Let me change the size. Okay. Let me just click. Nice. Better now. Here it is. 6a. Oh, sorry, my bad, guys. This one. 6a equals 54. Where is the variable? The variable, mister, as you can see, is here. Tied to the a. Okay, tied to the 6. And what is the math operation tied to the variable? Guys, is multiplying 6. What is the opposite for multiplying 6? It is, mister, dividing by 6. Divide by 6. Let's divide by 6. Goodbye, 6 over here. A equals 54 divided by 6. It is Which number times 6 equals 54? Oh, how many times 6 goes in 54? It is 9. And here my answer, A equals 9. Great. Mister, you need to check over here. Yeah, you can check. Just be sure. How can I check? Like this. 6 times 9 equals. Let me use these other times here, guys. I'm sorry. It's better that we start using the dot for multiplying. Okay, 6 times 9 is equals 54. Is it true or false? Is it true? Remember to check before you pick the answer. Great. Nice. Let's go to the next one. I pick over here. This one is my answer. Error analysis. Mr. Rios and Mr. Garcia are debating about how two equations below should be solved. X minus 24 equals 75. Mr. Rios says you should add 25 to 75. But Mr. Garcia disagrees and states that you should subtract 25 from 75. Who do you agree with and why? Be sure to include specific details and work to support your answer. Guys, the first thing, let's solve. Let's solve. Guys, let's just write here the information you got it. Here's Mr. Rios. Mr. Rios says to us, I need add 25 plus 75. And Mr. Garcia, here's Mr. Garcia statement. Mr. Garcia says to us, it is should subtract 25. Okay, you subtract 25 from 75. Great. When you subtract from, remember guys, 75 is here, subtracting from. I take away from 75. That's why 75 is beginning. I think you remember in addition, the order of the operators doesn't matter, but in subtract it matters a lot. Great. And you know, I think you remember our integer class, if we change, we switch the position in here, we have a negative number, the opposite. That's why it matters a lot. Great. Let's go over here. Who is correct? Let's solve right now the equation. The equation is x minus 25 equals 75. Where is the variable, Mr. Romeo? Left or right? Left or right? Where is it? Here is my variable, Mr. Romeo, in x. Here's my variable. Nice. We know my variable is left. What is the math operation tied to the variable? It is subtracting 25, mister. Subtracting 25. What is the opposite for subtract 25, guys? It is adding 25. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2, it is 10. 100. Nice. And x equals 100. Let's check if it's correct. Let's check then. 100 plus 25, it is 7. Oh, sorry, subtracting 25. It is 75, guys. It is true or false? Mister, this one is true. Then I know I need to add. Who is correct? Mr. Rios. Mr. Rios was correct and Mr. Garcia is wrong. I need to add to get the answer. Great. You should add. The opposite for subtract 25, it is adding 25. Pretty easy, yes? If you do this one and you write here, Mr. Rios was correct. Why? Because I need to add. Okay? That's it. Oh guys, sorry, you can see here my answer is over here, guys, below this thing here. Let me just move here and you can see it a little bit. Nice. Now we can see here my answer. Okay, my screen is not big enough here in the video, but you got it over here. Great. Let me just adjust again. Nice. Let's go next one. We solve here number 5. And number 6, solve for the value of the variable in the equation. Let's solve for the variable, guys. And here, what is the variable? My equation is c plus 9/5. It is 11/2. Let's solve this one. So how do I solve here, Mr. Romeo? Where is my variable? Left hand side here. What is the math operation tied to the variable, guys? Adding 9/5. What is the opposite? Subtracting. Then let's subtract. Minus 9/5. I'm here, goodbye. And how do I do this? Oh, guys, I think you remember butterfly technique. Yes, I hope. I taught you guys. I hope you remember this one. Multiply denominator here. 2 times 5, it is 10. 10. Okay? And cross multiply. 11 times 5, 55. 2 times 9. 2 times 9. The opposite here, 18. Minus 18. 55 minus 18 over 10, and C equals this one. Nice. Let's solve this one right now, guys. 55 minus 18, if you subtract this, it is, you take away 5 here, 13 over here, 50, 13, 40, and more 3, 37. C equals 37 over 10. Here is improper fraction. How do I do this? Oh, let me move this one just for you see better here. Nice. How do I move this one to become this as a, here's improper fraction. I need to write this as a mixed number. I just divide here and you figure out this one. I think you remember 37 divided by 10. It is 3.7. 3 and 7/10. Let's write this one as in mixed number. It is 3 and 7/10. 7 over 10. Great. 3 and 7/10. We have this one. Oh, here, Mr. Romeo. Over there. Guys, if you check, you'll see this is the correct thing over here. Great. I think everybody remember this one. And here it is my correct answer. 3 over 7/10. Let's go ahead here. Number 7. Solve for the value of the variable in the equation. D divided by 8 equals 3/10. D divided by 8 equals 3/10. Let's use this resource again. I like this using colors over here. Right now, let's use the green. This dark green here. Okay. Guys, my equation here is D divided by 8 equals 0.3. Okay, where is the variable? Where is the variable, Mister? The variable is here. The variable is exactly over there. Nice. I know my variable. It is over there. What is the math operation tied to the variable? It's dividing by 8. What is the opposite for dividing by 8? Multiplying by 8, Mister. Times 8 here. Goodbye. D equals decimals multiplying whole number. I think you remember, you multiply as usual, forget the decimal point, and the result you walk back, as I taught you. 3 times 8, 24, but I have one decimal, one place value after the decimal point. Then walk back 1, 2.4. And here is my answer. You can check, you can use a calculator. 2.4 divided by 8, you see is 0.3. Nice. And here's 2.4. Let's go ahead. Number 8. Number 9, a word problem. There are 34 peanuts in each box. How many peanuts are in 7 boxes? Okay, guys, let me just adjust over here. Okay, I think it's better right now. Better. Okay. There are 34 peanuts each box. How many peanuts are in 7 boxes? Be sure to show your work with word answer. Word problem, word answer. Show your work. Let's show your work over here, guys. Let's use this one. Let's read again and highlight the important information here. There are 34 peanuts. 34 peanuts. Okay. Just write this P, okay? 34 peanuts, P, in each box. How many peanuts? Okay, in one box, I have 34 peanuts. My question is, how many peanuts are in 7 boxes? I'm looking for 7 boxes. How do I know? How much? What is the math operation over here? Mister, my variable, I will write P because it's peanuts. Yes? Okay. Let's use this one. Okay, peanuts. Okay. Guys, I think I understand. P for peanuts. Okay? And here, how do I write this one? Mister, 1 box, 34. It's like 1 times P equals 34. 7 box? I don't know. How do I solve this one? Oh, mister, pretty easy. And here, it is 34. Okay, nice. 1 box, 34. It is 34P. Oh, 7P for peanuts equals the quantity I'm looking for. Great. Nice. I'm looking for the quantity over here. How do I know this one? It is 34. 34P. 34P. Let's rewrite this one. 34P is my quantity. 34. Or it's P divided by 34. Better over here. Nice. P is my quantity of peanuts divided by, oh, sorry, it's losing line. And here, my bad. Okay, guys, right now it's better. P divided by 34. I know the total of boxes I have. It is 7. P divided by 34, it equals 7. Let's right now solve this one. My variable, P, and the quantity of our peanuts here, 34. Let's use this one. Let's do it. How do I solve this one? It is over here. What is the variable? Left hand side. What's the math operation tied to the variable? Divided by 34. What is the opposite operation? Multiplying by 34. Great. Put by 34 over here. 7 times 34. Let's solve this one. P equals 7 times 4. It is 28. Carry 2. 3 times 7. It is 21. 21 plus 2. 23. 238. 238. Let's check. Let's use this one. 238 divided by 34. It is equal 7. Can you check this one, guys? Oh, it's pretty easy. Let me use my calculator over here. It is, that's it, guys. Exactly that thing. Great. It is 7. It is a true statement. Great. Word answer. How many peanuts are in 7 boxes? In 7 boxes, I have 238 peanuts. Okay, this is P for peanuts. Okay, nice, guys. Did you understand? I hope. It's pretty simple. We solved this one, and let's go to the last two. That's 2. Number 9. There are 2,640 Girls Scouts in New York. If the Girl Scouts are organized into 30 groups, how big is each group? Guys, the information I got is 2,640 Girl Scouts. If the girls are organized into 30 groups, how big is each group? Guys, let me use here my problem. I look for groups, okay? Oh, I look for girls. For quantity for girls in each group. Yes, it is I use G. Great. How do I know this one? I'm looking for 640 girls divided by G. is the number I'm looking for, equals 30. Nice. How do I solve this one? I'm looking for a number divided by 2640, 2640 divided by g equals 30. Which number is that? How do I know this thing? Guys, where's the variable? Here. Right now, let's do an important thing. We are moving. We are moving, Mr. Romeo. Let's rewrite this one. It's dividing. But I can write this as multiplication. It's better. It's kind of hard, this one. Some of you probably don't like that. What is this, Mr. Romeo? I know 30 times G is quantity for girls. 30 is group. G is the number. It is equals to 2640. The variable is here. Let's move 30 by opposite. Multiplying 30, dividing by 30. Dividing by 30. Okay, 0 with 0, goodbye. 3, how many times 3 goes in 264? G equals, it is 26. The first one, it is 4, no, 3 times 8. 8, 24 again, 88. 88 girls in each group. Answer statement. You have to write here how big is each group. Each group has how many girls? How many girls? Each group has 88 girls. Nice. And let's go to the last one. Let's go ahead, last one. Number 10. Number 10, it is. Each eraser costs 3 and 5 cents. How much do 3 and 50 cents. How much do 16 erasers cost? Pretty easy, guys. If I know one eraser, 3.5. How much do 16 eraser cost? Pretty easy, guys. Pretty easy. How do I solve this one? Let's think about I'm looking for the costs, okay? I use C. My variable, it is C. I need to think about how much it will cost. How do I know this one? I'm looking for this thing. I have here my C is my statement. I'm looking for the quantity, the value of this one. How do I know? I can do this thing. I can solve like that. C divided by 3.5. That's the thing here. I have 16 erasers. Pretty easy, yes? What's the math operation type here? Dividing by 3.5. The opposite, it is multiplying 3.5. Nice. Goodbye here. C equals, just remember multiplying decimals. Just multiply as usual. And after that, you move this one. Let's do this. 16 times 3.5. 3.5. Okay, 5 times 6. It is 30. Carry 3. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3, 8. And put a 0 over here. 3 times 6. It is 18. Carry 1. Right now is 1 here. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. And just add right now. 0. 16. Carry 1, 5. And here, just one decimal. Nice. The total cost, guys, it is 56 bucks. Nice. Answer problem. Oh, answer problem. Oh, word problem. Word answer. The question is, how much do 16 erasers cost? 16 erasers. Sorry, my bad. Cost 56 bucks. Okay, guys. Here's our formative number 6. Use this video to your study, to use in future. Remember, guys, to study again for our summative and submit. I will not submit. But guys, here's the statement. I think you understand everything. If you need, you can watch again the video and be sure you got this one. Okay, guys, love you so much. See you in your next class. Bye bye.